Hey, my man's looking kind of colourful in that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what you got for me, boy? Hey, what you got for me? Hey, well, what you saying about the angles, innit? See it from different angles and that. That's why they call me Angularis. Mr. Angularis. Do you know what I'm saying? Hey, I like it when they give me that nod, innit? Hey, big man, you're gonna cause an accident. Man don't like that movement. Stay in your lane. We're entering the ends, New Malden. This way it goes down. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think this was a good time to come out on a bike. Look at the sky. Dark clouds hovering above me. My man's looking at me like he knows me. You don't know me like that. Hey, helmet gang. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I had to come out, innit? Come out on the road, get some oxygen and that in my lungs. You know what I'm saying? It's celebratory bike ride, innit? Get the oxygen in lungs, quick time diffusion across the thin lining of the cells. Hey, what's the purple saying? Hey, Mr. Policeman, is there been a crime? If you need assistance, let man know. Hey, the minos and that. Yeah, really? That's right. A quick slice of the minos and I'm done. I'll overtake you like it's nothing. I'll make it look easy, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Alphabet thing, yeah, I got that. Man, if it rains, yeah, that'll be peak. This man's a seasonal rider, innit? If it rains, I'm going back home. Back to my palace, Buckingham thing, innit? Good night. Yeah, you see me, yeah, you got me from different angles, innit? That game GTA, that main character, that camera thing's like, you can change the angles, innit? Me, I'm like that. The camera is following me, big man. It's floating in the air, like, giving that cinematic vibes. That's how we do it. Hollywood thing. I should have worn my thick trousers. My kneecaps are gone. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to keep this on quite short. It is incredibly windy right now. Yeah, so it's been a while. I've not posted anything for a while. I had to treat my 300 million subscribers, innit? It's been a while. And as you know, my last video got like 5 billion likes. So I have to come back. I'm gonna have to deliver. Man, I'm nearly stuck from excitement. See me, I bring excitement in it. They see man and the mood levels go up. They're like, what? It's man like motor shocks. So excitement levels skyrocket. Hey, did you hear that pop? Yes, you did. See that pop here? That's my exhaust pipe, innit? I'll let it pop. Because you know what? It's got rights over me. It might be a piece of metal here, but maybe, in like some metaphysical sense, it might have its own feelings, big man. So I'm going to let it express itself. I can't judge it like that, innit? So you do your own thing, metal boy. Man was in town the other day, some dusty you try moving to me, innit? I was like, yo, listen, big man, man would unravel your DNA, bruv. Man will take out your base pairs in you and cause mutations in you, bruv. You don't know me like that. Man will hit you with a force. With a G-force. And man will knock you out. But man is not violent. I'm against violence. Man would knock you out with words. You know what I'm saying? That mental capacity in that. It's a madness out here.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah. Hello? Looking at me like you know me. You don't know me. You don't know me like that, big man. Because me, I'm not known, innit? Because what, like 99% of all that which exists is unknown. And I'm just one of them. Man's pop the universe, innit? The universe is expanding, big man. With bare galaxies and planets. Hey, nature, you're looking nice today. Oxygen levels high. Greenery on point. Road surface smooth. So I like it. You know what I mean? It's nice. Birds and that. Eating grass, no seeds. Organic life. There's way too much oxygen out here. Taking a selfie, I watch man say hello. Yay! How was that? Me, I photobomb. You need me in that picture. Send it to your fiance and say wagwan. Or wag too. I don't mind the numbers. Oh dear. The police is out there trying to get man, give fines and that. So me, I'm gonna stick to that 20, innit? I ain't gonna let them ruin my day, because my day is not to be ruined. Oh yeah, so I was in Richmond Park a couple of years back. Man was here having a picnic and that. Oh, okay. Man was having a picnic and that. Next thing I see is this green snake, bruv, slithering past my eyes. I got shook. I packed everything up. I was like, bun the picnic. Hey, look at this. These old babies, bruv. Not gonna lie, they look yum. Man will eat that. Wait, I think man shook them with the exhaust pipe. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, man, them. They look nice. They look cute. They look vulnerable. Yes, what was I saying? The snake, yeah? Well, when I saw the snake, I was like, bun this, I'm not coming to this park ever again.
Camera just stopped recording for some reason. But that's okay. Can't always have what you want in life.